But yes, human being teacher is best because human being teacher, they are connected with emotionally with kids,
Yes.
like they can teach all the what is bad, what is good, and what is the experiences they can achievement they can do. But machine, they can't do these things. They gave knowledge only. Yes, but human teacher, they are emotionally
So how are you doing?
Yes, I am doing well. Yes, we are, trying to connect very long time. So now suddenly we got the chance.
Chance to connect.
Yeah. Okay. So how was your day?
Yeah, it's going well.
Yeah. So can you introduce yourself little bit?
First,
Yeah.
my name is Menika. I'm from Jharkhand. I'm mother of two kids. And currently, I'm pursuing Master of Commerce. Simultaneously, I'm running my YouTube channel. That's it. It's all about me.
One topic. Okay. So let's discuss. So today's topic is, human being teacher is best or machine teacher is best. Robotic teacher is best. Which one is
Yeah,
best?
yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So first, it's my turn.
Yeah. So what
Oh.
is your opinion? Which is best?
If I talk about my opinion completely, I go with human teacher because I don't have experience about robotic teacher. How is that and what is their teaching quality experience? I don't know. Completely, I don't know. So
Yes.
if I, yeah, completely, I go with teacher like
Yeah.
women's both because it is a good thing in a classroom. You directly present in classroom, physically present in classroom.
Yes.
If
Yes.
anything happened with kids, because if I take an example, a small kids, a school
Yes.
going children, just a KG nursery, yeah, kindergarten student, they are very naughty.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
and doing lots of good and bad activity in classroom. So if I talk about any physically teacher present in classroom like women's and any sir, so they will also guide children if he and she doing any kind of bad things and bad manners, you can say, because children, they very innocent. What is good, what is
Yes.
bad, they have no idea what is good for
Yeah.
me and what is bad for me. Hey, they don't have a idea about this is a water, this water is good and this water
Yeah.
is not good, this is not a drinking water. Yeah, these are manner things in very common thing in classroom. If I talk about robotic teacher, they only
Yeah.
focus on board. Yeah, I have no experience, but I just imagine and I just imagine the thought and I want to talk about. He is just focus on what is the today topic. I am going to classroom and I will complete this topic. This is the
Yes. Yes.
today task. If robotic teacher is present in classroom, he their full focus on board, on board. If a student is doing any kind of naughty behavior, like when teacher is teaching on board, like 3 to 4 students, they in every class they are very naughty and
Yeah.
sometimes without any permission go outside and doing any kind of activity. So robotic teacher, they not, maybe they're not able to focus on that student if they are doing any kind of mistake and any kind of bad activity. So yes, I go with physically present teacher. What's your opinion?
Yes. So yes, I'm also, I go to with the, human beings teacher because, nowadays I can say because technology is, developing day by day.
Very
And
advanced.
another countries there, China, Japan, there is also machines working very day by day. And in India is also,
Adopt.
developed. Yes. And in I watched one video that one robotic teacher is teaching to students in Mumbai. Shalu
Oh,
Shalu madam. Yes, her robotic teacher name is Shalu madam. So she
Yes,
teaches student, yes, all the, and she knows many languages, 99 I think languages.
because that is a machine, na? And like
Yeah.
fit in their body.
Yes, yes. They have, chip. I can say
Yes,
chip. They have
yes,
chip. So yes, they know. But yes, human being teacher is best because human being teacher, they are connected with emotionally with kids.
yes,
Like they can teach all the what is bad, what is good, and what is the experiences they can achievement they can do. But machine, they can't do these things. They gave knowledge only. Yes, but human teacher, they are emotionally connected with the student, and they also teach etiquettes manners to kids. And machine, they cannot do this thing. Yes, because they have only focusing, they only focusing to studies. Yes.
yeah. A school is not only just acquiring a knowledge place. Yes, if
Yes,
when we
yes.
yeah, if a student is going to school, they are not only for acquiring a knowledge, because when you have any kind of problem, any kind of difficulty, you can share with your teacher.
Yes,
Sometimes
yes.
teacher behave like parents. Yes,
Yeah.
they understand your problem and they will console you. They will give any solution of your problem. They will always ready to help you if you are any dilemma, any kind of bad situation. And because children are very unmature, we are sometimes they do very bad mistake. Yes,
Yes, yes. Actually, what happens? A machine, robotic machine, teacher, who made this? Only human beings has made this.
yes, yes,
So human teacher is best because all the things have done human beings, right?
yes,
So how
definitely.
we can say that robotic teacher is best?
Very
I think
best.
this is
Yes.
not the best. Only human teacher is best. Yes.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
because if you are any kind of problem, any kind of difficulty, teacher help you physically, mentally, and any he and she ready to help you every time. There is not a
Yes.
teacher present there only for teaching. They also guide,
Yeah.
but
Right.
robot
Right.
is not going to guide you. They
Yes.
they're not going to they're not ready to help you if you are any problem. Yeah, in
Yes.
bad situation. They only present in classroom for teaching and nothing else.
Nothing else. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Because he is, he is a machine. He or she is a machine. So how they can emotionally connect with the,
Can-
person to person? How?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, right. So